Welcome, this is Twitter Obina. So whenever we have an equation that has fraction involved in it, the best approach to solving the equation is by multiplying each of the terms in the expression or in the equation with the LCM of the denominators that are involved in that equation. So here we have denominators as 4, 3, and 3. So we'll be looking for the LCM. So we'll be looking for the LCM of 4 and 3. Of course, 3, they are the same number. 4 and 3. And LCM of 4 and 3 is, of course, 12. So 12 is the LCM of 4 and 3. So we'll be multiplying each of these terms by this LCM. So let's go there now. So for the first one, the LCM, we are multiplying the LCM 12 by the first expression, which is 3x over 4. We also multiply the LCM 12 by the second expression, which is 5 over 3. Then the right hand side, we also multiplying 12 by 2x over 3. So we're multiplying each of the term by that LCM. The aim of doing this is to eliminate the fraction in the equation. So here, 12 times this, of course, 4 in 4 will give us 1, and 4 in 12 will give us 3. And we are left with 3 times 3x in this first part. In the second part, 3 in 3 is 1, and 3 in 12 is 4. So we'll be left with minus 4 times in the number left, which is 5. Then we'll have our equal sign. Here, 3 in 3 is 1, and 3 in 12 is also 4. So we'll be left with 4 times in 2x. So with the multiplication of the terms with the LCM, we have been able to have a linear expression without a fraction. So let's open the brackets that we have. 3 times 3x will give us 9x. Minus 4 times 5 will give us minus 20. Then we'll have our equal sign. 4 times 2x will give us 8x. So at this point, let's collect our like terms. 9x and 8x are like terms. So let the smaller one come and meet the bigger one, where we'll now have 9x. This 8x, when it crosses to this left-hand side, it becomes minus 8x. We put our equal sign. Then here, this minus 20, we are bringing it to the right-hand side, where it will now become plus 20. So this is what we have in collecting of like terms in this expression. So 9x minus 8x, I will be left with only 1x. So I'll have 1x is equal to 20. And this is our answer. So in this equation, x is equal to 20. And thank you for watching.